You're probably wondering what's going on with XRP. The popular cryptocurrency exploded in value recently and gained over 15% in the past week alone. But is that just a coincidence, or an indicator of things to come later this year and beyond? Could XRP finally surpass the previous all-time high it reached all the way back in 2018? In this video, we will cover the latest XRP and Ripple news that helped fuel the recent price rally, and examine XRP price predictions for both the short and long term. One of the reasons why XRP has been struggling over the past couple of years is the lawsuit against Ripple and its founders that started in late 2020. The US Securities and Exchange Commission has accused Ripple of the unregistered sale of securities. The regulator maintains that the sale of the XRP cryptocurrency should follow securities laws. On the other hand, Ripple's defense team argues that XRP is sufficiently decentralized and shouldn't fall under the supervision of the SEC. But recent developments show that the lawsuit could be turning in Ripple's favor. John E. Deaton, a lawyer focused on blockchain and the founder of the crypto law website, recently stated that the presiding judge in the case should rule in favor of Ripple and its founders. He believes that the burden of responsibility shouldn't fall on Ripple, as the SEC itself didn't know if XRP was a security or not. This sparked a rally in the XRP markets and the currency gained over 20% on March 21st. Still, the sudden price surge wasn't enough to turn short and medium-term XRP price predictions bullish. Our algorithm forecasts the price of XRP to dip over 50% in the next 3 months and drop below 20 cents by the end of June. If you believe XRP is bound to recover in the future, this could represent a good buying opportunity. In fact, there are strong indications that XRP could rally in the long term, but more on that later. After the legal proceedings started, several cryptocurrency exchanges delisted XRP, fearing the consequences of an unfavorable outcome of the SEC case. Coinbase was one of them. But with the tide now turning in Ripple's favor, Coinbase is thinking about relisting XRP. In an interview with Thinking Crypto on March 17, Coinbase's chief legal officer Paul Grewal stated that the exchange would consider resuming XRP trading if Ripple prevails in the case against the SEC. Here are some important takeaways from the conversation with the host of Thinking Crypto, Tony Edward.
Let's talk about XRP. Coinbase listed XRP was available for trading. The SEC filed a lawsuit. So talk to us about that. Was that a legal thing or more of a risk mitigation thing?
The defendants in that case have done a masterful job of pushing the SEC and raising serious questions about the SEC's entire theory that undergirds that case. In fact, I was so persuaded by those efforts that Coinbase filed its own brief in that case in support of several of the important defenses that Ripple and others are raising.
So let's say in the scenario ruling from the judges in favor of Ripple, will Coinbase then make the assessment, you know what, it looks like things are moving in the direction of XRP and Ripple and so forth, relist XRP or restart trading?
It's possible. It would all, of course, depend upon the basis for the ruling, the judge's legal reasoning, our assessment of whether or not an appeals court would affirm that decision.
In addition to Grewal's statements, the XRP ledger recently saw a substantial increase in activity. This could suggest institutional investors are turning significantly bullish on XRP. According to Sentiment data, 50 investors bought 420 million XRP, worth over $155 million in the past month. Additionally, the XRP ledger saw a major increase in the number of payments made on the blockchain last week. Meanwhile, the number of transactions nearly doubled. The positive price action and a boost in on-chain activity could help XRP reach new heights in the future. According to CoinCodex predictions, XRP's price could gain as much as 90% and reach nearly $1 by early 2024. Coincidentally, the increase aligns closely with the next Bitcoin halving, which has historically been a precursor to previous crypto bull runs. On an even longer time scale, a single XRP could be worth as much as $14 by 2040, if the currency were to follow Bitcoin's historical yearly return averaged over the last 5 years. Moreover, XRP could surpass $100 by 2050 if it continued on that same growth trajectory. Whether XRP reaches those price peaks will depend largely on the outcome of the SEC litigation and Ripple's ability to form new high-profile partnerships going forward. It seems Ripple is currently on a good path already, as the company is already partnered with some of the largest financial institutions in the world, including Bank of America, Santander, the Canadian Imperial Bank, and many others. Also, XRP is becoming increasingly popular as a remittance solution, allowing users to send money overseas in seconds and at a very low cost. In 2022 alone, global remittances grew by 5% to $626 billion. If Ripple manages to capture a significant portion of the remittance market, which is driven primarily by low and middle income countries, the company could see exponential growth in the long term. What price do you think XRP could reach in the future? Let us know in the comments below.